Alright, let's understand drag and drop editing of FlexiFunnels new AI editor. Okay, see, FlexiFunnels already has a drag and drop website page builder, landing page builder, which was complete drag and drop, right? So this is a new AI builder which is getting built at the same time. So that's why it is in beta, right? So currently, at the time of making this video, the AI builder has the editing options, which is limited to four things: text, image, forms, and buttons, which are the four most important things on any page, right? And currently, we are in the process of adding more drag and drop editing functionalities. So this is just a quick disclaimer over here, right? So and it is going to be getting added on a daily basis. So every day you are going to see, let's say, a video element and a cloning option and a deleting option and all the other things, right? So how to do the editing? Click on the preview mode. It will change to the edit mode, right? Maybe I'm gonna put this. Now I want to do any changes. Let's say, I want to change this text, discover your inner balance. So maybe I don't want this. So let's say personalized yoga practice. Maybe I want this, right? So again, totally up to you. What do you want on your landing page, right? So text based editing, you can click on any text and you can change the text. Okay, so this is one thing. Second thing is, you can click on any image, right, and you can change the image. So for example, there is supposed to be an image over here, right, as you can see. So I want a new image over here, so I can click on choose a new image. I will be having a certain set of images on my landing page, right? So I'm going to pick an image from that, maybe this image, for example, right? So the image is going to be added over here, but make sure that you click on save changes. So now this image is going to be over here, right? So again, depending upon whatever you want, what image you want, right over here. So this is how you can change the images. Let's come to forms. I'm not sure whether I can edit the form right now or not. Yeah, I can. Okay, so the connect here will be available in the next step, but you can edit the form. So let's say this is a big form. Maybe, okay, let's have a look at this. In this form, let's say the button is secure the spot, and then there are some radio buttons. I'm a beginner, I have some experience. Then there's a drop down like this, right? So there are multiple options. Let's say you don't want terms, right? I agree, wala portion, so you can just delete it. That is just one thing. Okay, maybe instead of secure your spot, you want something else: register now, invest now. I mean, secure your spot is good, but I'm just saying, right? Let's say you want, let's say in experience, this is a text based field, or let's say you want to make any field mandatory. Let's say this is a phone field and you want to make it mandatory, so you can click over here and you can make it mandatory. When the form is submitted, you can put a URL where it should take you to the thank you page, right? So this is where the form is going to take. Or if you just want to show a thank you message, you can do that as well, but I would say and suggest that always send to a thank you page, right? So this is how drag and drop, like, simply you can do the editing of everything. So let's say this is a program option based, so you can click on this. Let's say select your program. You want to add any other option: essential, complete, VIP. Let's say test, let's say $100. And if I just do this and I click on save changes, so this is going to be over here, right? So like, this is how you can simply do the editing. The form connection over here, connect here, is going to happen in some time. Okay, so let's wait for it. I will show you in one of the next lessons.